The Zapad group of forces, with a crew from the 25th Combined Arms Army operating the TOS-1A Solntsepyok, is shown engaging a temporary deployment area, rendering the position inoperable during the operation. Russian FPV drone engages a Ukrainian motorcycle unit, maintaining precise tracking as the situation unfolds on the battlefield. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and support the channel with a like and subscription. A Czech-made RM-70 Vampire is shown moving near Starorayskoye in the DPR, preparing to conduct a fire mission. A Zala Z-16, operated by the Berkut crew of the 238th Guards Artillery Brigade, detects and tracks the launcher in real time. Following target confirmation, a Lancet loitering munition is deployed, resulting in the system being disabled before it could carry out its mission. Ukrainian forces attempted to secure their advance by blocking roads with anti-drone nets in an effort to shield their moving units from Russian unmanned aerial systems. But it was not enough. Russian FPV drone operators adapted, persisted, and pushed through every barrier placed before them. The enemy's all-terrain vehicles and their crews were successfully located, engaged, and captured, a clear demonstration that no defensive measure, no barrier, and no net can fully counter the precision and determination of Russian FPV drone operators on the modern battlefield. If you found this footage compelling, drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more frontline coverage from the active conflict zone. Near the Russian border, reconnaissance units identified a fortified Ukrainian strongpoint containing armored vehicles and transport assets. In response, FPV drone operators from the North Group, including elements of the 204th Akhmat Special Forces Regiment, the 245th Regiment, and the FSB of Russia, carried out a coordinated strike. The operation resulted in the destruction of 1 tank, 3 armored vehicles, and 2 transport units. Footage from the engagement shows precise drone impacts and secondary detonations, highlighting the effectiveness of Russia's tactical coordination and the growing lethality of FPV drone operations against fortified positions. Footage shows Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel evacuating a damaged HMMWV from the battlefield in one of the operational directions, highlighting recovery efforts under active conditions. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone from the antagonist group, positioned in ambush, detected a lone Ukrainian Armed Forces soldier, unarmed and unaware. The drone tracked him patiently for a notable period of time. Then the operator made a decision and let him go, a rare and deeply human moment on one of the most unforgiving battlefields of the modern era. A Center Group Fiber Optics FPV drone closed in on a Ukrainian Armed Forces service member located inside his fortified position. The drone moved in with precision and intent, directly targeting the service member within the confined space, but the device did not detonate. What followed was a moment of sudden and frantic urgency. The targeted service member, now fully aware of the threat, scrambled to escape, and in the chaos, a second comrade, who had been sleeping nearby, completely unaware, was jolted awake and forced to flee alongside him. A tense and dramatic sequence, captured in full by the Center Group drone operator on the modern battlefield. In the Slavyansk-Kramatorsk direction, Russian Armed Forces units are reported to have advanced approximately 2 kilometers, establishing new positions on the eastern outskirts of the settlement of Realexandrovka, reflecting ongoing movement along this axis. In the village of Orestopol, Dnipropetrovsk region, Russian assault units from the 36th Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 29th Army, part of the East Group of Forces, reportedly completed a successful liberation operation. Footage obtained by TASS shows Russian troops advancing through the area, with destroyed Ukrainian positions and abandoned equipment scattered across the terrain. Field reports indicate the offensive penetrated several kilometers into Ukrainian defenses, with some foreign fighters allegedly surrendering during the engagement. This operation represents a tactical gain for Russian forces in central Ukraine, strengthening their advance into contested zones. Russian aviation assets delivered a precise and devastating strike on a Kiev forces river crossing over the Volkhya River. The strike successfully disrupted enemy troop movement east of Volchanskaya Kotora, cutting off a critical route and dealing a significant blow to Kiev forces' operational mobility in the area. In the Zaporizhzhia region, drone operators from Russia's 218th Guards Tank Regiment of the 127th Motor Rifle Division, working alongside the elite 14th Guards Special Forces Brigade of Grouping East, delivered a devastating blow to Ukrainian forces attempting to maneuver through contested territory. Utilizing FPV drones with surgical precision, the operators targeted multiple vehicles transporting personnel, striking them while in transit with lethal accuracy. The footage shows direct hits on moving targets, with explosions halting convoys and scattering personnel. This coordinated operation not only inflicted significant losses but also served as a stark warning to any units attempting to traverse exposed routes under Russian aerial surveillance. Footage shows Russian sniper teams engaging opposing forces in the Zaporizhzhia direction, highlighting precision marksmanship and controlled targeting during frontline operations.
Давай, реперер с тобой.
In the Kharkiv region, Russian forces from the 68th Motor Rifle Division of the Leningrad Military District continue to pressure Ukrainian positions, with the retro drone crew capturing footage of multiple successful strikes. The video shows an American-supplied Humvee destroyed by a direct hit, followed by the neutralization of several additional vehicles, quad bikes, and unmanned ground robots used by Ukrainian forces. These precision attacks demonstrate the growing integration of drone reconnaissance and strike capabilities within Russian ground units, allowing them to target mobile assets and disrupt enemy logistics with increasing efficiency. Official footage from the Russian Ministry of Defense, showcasing drone operators from across the SMO zone. Group North and West intercepted Kiev forces UAVs over the Kharkov Oblast. Group East destroyed a field ammunition depot, and Kiev forces strong points in Zaporizhzhia Oblast. The Burevestnik Unmanned Systems Regiment of Group South struck a Kiev forces deployment point and a Polish-made Krab self-propelled artillery system. And in the Dobropoli direction, Group Center disrupted an enemy rotation, destroyed camouflaged artillery positions, and brought down Kiev forces reconnaissance drones. For army groups, one devastating day of operations across the active conflict zone. The video shows a series of precision strikes against Ukrainian positions, with drones navigating low terrain and targeting vehicles, dugouts, and fortified shelters. Operators demonstrate advanced control and coordination, often manually guiding drones through complex environments to maximize effect.